Sneezing in the morning can be perfectly normal for a lot of people. So there is no cause for alarm about this when it occurs. But in cases where people have sinus infection, for example, they can be irritated in their nostrils in the morning and then they sneeze in order to release mucus. Okay? And when this sneezing continues very rampantly every morning, it means that this sinus may have become chronic. So you may want to check up with your doctor and ask for solution to that, okay? And another reason why people may be sneezing in the morning or at any time of the day very heavily is because of allergy. An allergy can occur anytime and any season of the year. It may be because of pollen allergy, it may be because of allergy of dust. When you're allergic to dust, or even some dust mite may be around where you sleep, so you have to check where you sleep and the hygiene of where you live and where you sleep generally is very, very important in order to fight allergy. So you may want to detect what is the cause. Maybe even your cosmetic, your perfume, okay, or the hair or the wig of your lady or anybody, that may be causing some issues for you. So you may just want to check why this sneezing is very rampant for you early in the morning. Take care of yourself, and I hope to hear from you soon. Follow for more.